Hi, I'm Sandy Belcher, the creator of Tutie, Cutie, Tutus. And today I'd like to show you how to make a Petti Tutu. This is a Ninja Turtle dress I'm working on, and they wanted pink on the ends. And so the supplies you'll need are obviously some tulle, scissors, and something to wrap the tulle around. So I'm using an old tulle roll, and what you do is, this one's actually from toolsource.com, so it's a bit thicker than the cheaper tulle that you get from China, or like, let's see, BB Crafts or something. It's a thinner tube actually. So this one will make your pieces a bit wider if it's the one from Tool Source. But I step on this, squish it flat, and then you want to fold it like this, so you have a little groove there. So what you'll do is, you'll take your tulle and you'll wrap it around. Many times. But you don't want to put too much on there, because then the first pieces that you started with will be smaller than the pieces around it, because it gets bigger as you roll it around. But just keep going like that. And if you have some tulle, I already started this dress, I only have a few pieces left, but if I needed a lot of pieces, I would just go ahead and just squish the tube that you already have and cut it off with the actual tube if there's not much tulle on it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this now. So that little groove I made there, I'm going to use that so I can cut it straight, because otherwise it's hard to cut it. You can't get underneath it. Okay, so I got all my pieces here, and what I'll do is, I'm gonna get 2 strips of my tulle for my skirt. I got 2 pieces together. And if you don't know how to make a tutu, I make videos on how to make regular tutus. But I'm gonna put it through the hole here. And what I like to do is, so you have 4 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you take 2 pieces here. I tie a knot on the end, like a pixie dress, like a fairy dress. See? And then you'll take one of your little petty ends and put it through here. You just find the loop like that, and then you'll tie this on the end. See how cute that is? And see, the knot on here helps this not fall off, you know. So I'll show you another one. Okay, so this is going to be my last piece. Although I think this dress is going to need another layer. It don't look poofy enough. So split it in half. Tie little knots on the end. And take your pieces And I noticed something. The tulle is really stretchy one way, but this way, it's hard to see on camera here, but that way, see, it don't stretch. So you want to put it that way, the non-stretchy way, because it just look all stretched out and it won't look good. So tie that on. And that's all it is to it, really. Very easy, very cute. I know you can put the ends on without the knots, but I just don't like it as much. It looks like it would fall off easy. Let's see. I think this way too, it makes the pink, like the petty ends show up better too. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.